Hi, my name is Liam, and I am your dedicated resource for Fynlo's tutorial videos. In today's session, I'll be showing you how to create an estimate in Fynlo and send it to your customer's email for reference. To create an estimate, go to the left menu and choose Income, then select Estimates. In the Estimates section, click New Estimate. You'll then be taken to a blank form where you can enter the details of the estimate. If a customer's payment terms are saved, the due date will automatically be calculated based on the specified term. Once you've filled out all the fields, you can then click Save. You'll then see a confirmation that your estimate was saved successfully. Next, locate the corresponding estimate and click the envelope icon on the right. You can then email the estimate to the customer. If the customer reads the email and approves the estimate without any changes, click the three dots on the right side of the estimate, select Convert to Invoice, and then choose Convert Fully since no changes are needed. Once converted, you'll see a pop-up confirming the estimate has been turned into an invoice, and you'll be redirected to the Invoice section. Thank you for completing this module. Feel free to reach us at any of these handles for further assistance.